Hey, big shout out to the one and only OBO001 Davido on top this record over then. And if you check your time right now, 14 minutes up base, leave 11 a.m. already. We just got enjoy this three beautiful music before we come back on air. You also enjoy Sade by Rotimi and the one and only Mayor Kwan Nasty C. Before workshop take over, you know, so we'll do Across the Bridge. So welcome to Tuesday edition of Across the Bridge. My name is Naro Ambi, and as I talked earlier on, I get the beautiful baby lady in the building, Lady JJ in the building. She just accept me for
I
who I am.
I don't want any other person as a cook call me baby lady.
No, now let me see if anybody try, I go hear the person.
I don't want to be baby lady.
No, listen, it's not about it's high. I see you. I dim
you
me
know,
fit.
you know, what no be issue of dim me fit. You know, if it dim me, I know if you go by how you dim me fit. Now I dim myself fit. Okay. So
my anyway, but it's nothing changes system, my baby lady. Welcome, Lady J. Lady JJ, there are some 31 of Naija FM. How was the weekend? I hope you had a great time, right?
Well, quiet weekend. Weekend.
Everywhere calm and cool, right?
Thank God.
Okay. So before we kickstart, because you get better when me and Lady JB the talk off air, which we go kind of like deliberate on with the short time on top of hand. So finally, over the weekend, after I think 1 week and
2 days.
Verydarkman.
They don't really.
Bright Abi, what it be rename? Yes, now.
Bright Osezu Abi.
By Ose, something like that. Don't regain freedom.
Yes.
In an unlikely way, because on a Sunday and on an Easter
Sunday,
they are never see they release somebody on a Sunday, talk less of a public holiday. Gone,
yes,
which was Easter Day. So it's kind of like people expected it, but at the end of the day, some people they happy about time, while some certain individuals also they happy about time. So big shout out to Ran. Indirectly saying go talk in mind. People don't expect him must talk in mind or talk about time. So everybody they wait to hear, wait to be experienced. Because when he come outside, he wasn't the very dark man
at all.
You get he reduced all his muscle. You know, say as a person when they gym, you need to do it regularly to maintain your muscle. That few days when you spend for that place, he reduced drastically, and you can notice it was even unkept. You get that, so say not be place where you want go. I don't know the other treatment when he faced, but the one where I feel as I take from the look when he take come outside, it wasn't funny. You get, but I believe is that I also understand saying you need to go court also.
So I think now administrative bill.
Yes.
They build on an administrative bill. So well, they always say freedom of speech. But freedom after speech, they guaranteed.
And also, one thing I also realize for the word now, say there are some certain topic you should not put your mouth into, because of the those topics relate to some community where they get heavy backing, and
it is very sensitive again.
No,
based on how we talk,
sensitive to you.
Not to me. But I just talk say or based on the people when
it concern. So their community is strong. If you talk against them, you will hear them. You get when even their community present for Nigeria, strong. So now why you go notice say, everybody just rather your mind their business. Not be say we for not like talk about town, but I don't want their problem. I don't want me somebody come off food from my mouth. I don't want me this. So everybody just mind their problem, and that was what happened in the case. So most time not be they go even hit you, they go use on that person to hit you, which was the case of where Totodike, Yabojo and St. Cleve be the front line of the people when they write petition against them. But waiting come up after that one, not be with their hand. You get me. But one thing I also realized for this whole matter, I don't know, since St. Cleve started to produce music, I don't know the type of person we end up become. Or maybe he's doing that for clout on top Instagram, because everything I see on Instagram is almost an agenda to achieve whatever aim the person set for himself. Because the way they talk and post on time, it shock me. I'll say, how would you say St. Cleve work with Whiskey, produce like he talk they
they add up.
They add up. They talk. Sorry to say,
you go talk one way.
He talk like mentally unstable person.
Wow.
Let me just use that. No offense, but if you want to take a he talk not the day construct. The day street. Like person when
they jump on, like they say they jump on clouds. On something where they trend.
Just to make a point. No.
The thing with Sam Cleve, I sabi Sam Cleve reach us. Why I say I reach us?
If you sabi, I'm gonna call.
No, I don't know Sam Cleve to be this. The Sam Cleve who I know now very calm, humble, down to earth.
Molowo.
Before you do Molowo Noni, the very first album of Simi, the wife of Adekunle Gold, gospel album. Now Sam Clef produced and that album blew because we attend the same church, Daystar Christian Center. So now from there I sabi Sam Clef. Now there I sabi Simi, but I never know Sam Clef to be
this kind of person.
So it is difficult to merge the.
Yeah, it's different. So now why they make excuse? Either he's mentally unstable, they in a happy place, which all those he talk on top social media might be a reflection of, or he they probably do things like this because say blogs go carry things like this. He go they are there because he want become blogger. You get me? So I don't know. I just feel because even from Davido matter, even before now, the way they talk, so I just sit down. Well, is this guy all right? Is he okay, or is just a doing for class sake because he want get that attention?
I know if it's possible, but I know if it tell at all.
But I think for those way, I be one even say I will talk to Godwin. I don't say not Godwin guy.
No, Godwin guy.
Maybe Godwin may ask and say, Alpha, are you okay? Is everything? Can we help you from Nigeria? Because you did America, supposed to be okay if you did there. Guess what? People for them and they will get problem past. Their mental health not the day stable like that compared to some of us who don't they used to hard life. Yeah, you get. So I want to say Godwin, reach out to your guy, me talk to your guy. You get me? So that and even your talk the. You this is childishness talk on top of his post. Like even small people don't go talk the way they write sometimes. So now I think maybe it's intentional. He's just doing that. Because if you talk like this,
it's possible. It's possible say it intentional. It's possible it unintentional. Now only go fi come out talk say okay, see my intentions here. So anything I talk now based on it go be based on pure assumption.
Okay.
I know if assume.
Okay, that one. Hopefully, we'll get to hear from Bright VDM very soon. Away from that, you be talking about the Risco stuff. Just more.
Yeah. So the woman named Chioma Okoli, and I just see the video last week. Now I can't make me say okay, make a research what exactly happened. So this woman now, a married woman. I think she's mother of 3 or 4. Say she go buy, she go do normal shopping. The normal tomato paste where she they use, she no see that one. She come buy this particular one, Najiko. So she says before she try them, she taste them. The thing taste too sweet. Say she even carry am go meet her and say, see this tomato paste. I hope I go tell them say, if you feel say no they good enough, kuku no use them. So she can't snap the picture now. Come post them on top of Facebook page. Come they ask her followers, say, I beg they don't try this tomato paste before. It is too sweet, just to find reviews from people who don't use them, whether it dey okay. So before you know it will happen now, the policemen come arrest them for church. On top matter, say me she can't answer question. They carry him go. I think on his Sunday self, carry him arrest him. Go station. For anything that happen, they don't sign a detention order for her. She said they said where they put them for inside. The roof they leak. Say rain fall that day, so water full for inside the cell. Say she don't know anything to do. She just dey confused. She just what happen? What did she do? Say now based on that post where she post for Facebook. Say she talk say the Risco food they produce products where they keep people. She no talk am on top her page. So the man vex. He sue am. He say she be part of one syndicate wey wan destroy in business. And the woman say she not dey part of any syndicate. Why she go do why? Say na just review, and that na her personal opinion. But at the same time, she dey try get reviews from other people. The man say Laila go rather die than drop this case. He no go drop the case. Say she go pay fine of 7 million or spend 3 years in prison, and in the sue am for 5 billion. Her own lawyer counter don't offload what they call counter sue, be counter file against them. Say first of all, the matter na civil case. It never reached for them to arrest them. Say they told
court is supposed to
say na cyberbullying kinikon. So they can't fly them out. In fact, when I released them that Monday, they can't fly them go Abuja. For something will happen for here for Lagos, if they fly them go Abuja based on what. Say when they reach there, then I think they hold them again. They can't say okay, she must sign a write apology letter. She said she write the apology letter under Durex. Say everybody around, they say sign, if not they go throw you back in cell. You know that kind of thing. So thankfully, say one of those days policemen come our house, they bang the door, say one woman where she sell hair to complain, say the hair they give her problem. She said, but I know they sell hair. I know they say no. All these things they on. So if nobody say I just they come and
she narrate all these things.
Narrate all these things, Say the policemen did for our house from morning till evening before they can go. So as she and at the point she can't cry. She said she don't tire. Say now just her own personal opinion. Which she put on top Facebook. In fact, I can't research watch different interviews where they interviewed the owner of the company. Just they provoked the vex.
Yes, it was before I even more talk anything. You talk about how NAFDAC and evil.
So now they don't carry that this thing. Good enough
that particular brand of
tomato
because Eris could get different brands.
Yes, we call them Najiko. It gets actually they confirm say it gets sugar.
That's consumer protection.
Yes,
they find out. Say
it gets sugar, but they say but the amount of sugar now based on personal opinion.
Okay.
Now based on personal opinion. So feel the
NAFDAC also confirm the same thing.
Say it gets sugar for inside.
I like the fact that those agencies put man because I was expecting that earlier on because everything we gather from is it Amnesty International being one?
Yes, they even do work for work. Yes, say she said she get rights as a person. Now her own personal opinion.
Lady J, first of all, freedom to speech. Everybody get that.
But freedom after speech, they guarantee.
It hard sometimes, depending on what you use to talk your freedom of speech.
Yeah.
So this now where I see the problem. That first review was harmless. It's normal. I can buy a phone, this small phone right now, and after I watch the advert, now it inspired me to buy, and then I come find out say, waiting the advertise for the phone not being the phone they make anytime you take make call. I be go online say, no, this phone not being why they go advertise also this thing at the end of the day, not be waiting. Did the phone not be waiting there after did the phone. No, it's not good. That's my personal review. But if I can't go far, I can't talk. Say this now where I think you not catch up. Where the owner of Erisco they hold on strong. So after I make that review finish, somebody can't talk something for the comment section. So she can't reply the comment say now waiting they keep people now be this.
How will she talk?
Yes.
Okay.
So in our words, to an extent, if you look am from law person, she was saying something, but she over exaggerated. Too much sugar go lead to some certain arrangement for your body. But using the word now they keep people. How many people say you don't keep? Now there the man they come from.
Okay. So
that particular arrangement, the man carry people for head. How you go say my product they keep people? After they don't do a sincere review, if it already that first review she did before that comment under that particular review, they don't get case against that woman. Because anybody can drop review and say, no, I know this quality of this thing not make sense. This dress I got is not the same thing. You go, they don't arrest anybody when it talks the dress I ordered from the dress I got. No. Because those are sincere review. So you see that particular part when she talks, say, now they keep people. Now there the man carry people for a contact and personal. Because now they go ask you how many people, even though say sugar too much inside them, how many people they keep. I don't know if you get.
I get what you're saying.
So, to the man, you want to spoil my business. Now I'll go back. An average Nigeria now oppressor when the environment presents itself.
You talk last week.
Me, I be oppressor. Now just say I never see opportunity to use my power. You be oppressor. You be every one of us now oppressor. The moment the opportunity presents itself, bang. So I will also agree, say the man trying to. Because according to him, one redeem the image, say he lose stock. People started avoiding,
avoiding them.
Yes. Not also forget, review has positive and negative impact. My review can make 1,000 people not to buy your good because they don't want to make the same mistake when they make.
Yes.
That was one thing Verydarkman was doing when go to share say, this cream they spoil body. Guess what? So many people stop buying cream for society individual because that cream they actually they harmful. So that now how far review can go. And I think the man know this now why he go that far. Yes, he might go far. Me, I don't like give you. I feel God, you calm down now. All of us know. You get me. So I feel say the man go too far just to protect his image. You get. So those other operations using police, this one I waiting court will your carry. Waiting be your proof. As now I ask you now that coming consumer. Truly the woman talk say sugar too much. Yeah, the man will agree say yes, you can use some of our tomato paste to eat bread. But that don't be that particular product. I think he was referring to another product.
You said that particular one, say where they put sugar for inside.
Yes, I make jam.
Yes.
You get because they might get all that product, the rest not get sugar. But that particular brand, I think they make a very sugary. Maybe the woman don't know.
I believe say she don't know to her. She say I'm for inside tin. Na tomato paste. But because she won't cook stew.
Because now for her review, she make mention of other two brand. So to the man now, you they raise other brand, you want to bring my own brand now. So people will leave my brand who are already my customer and go for that other brand. That's not her review they go far. You get, I think the woman was right to an extent, apart from the fact when say people they die, because if there's many people when they die right now, how many people want break come outside? Certainly not. But NAFDA and what did they call her?
FCCPC.
See, don't confirm. Say truly, that review of sugar.
But the amount of sugar where they inside based on personal opinion. Like they say, one man meat, another man poison. To you, they too sugary. To another person, if you know they too sugary. So it is based on personal opinion.
But this is not what I feel. The man went overboard. Yes. I know he was trying to protect his brand. Because any business person, especially when in Nigeria, where we feel say we be enemy to each other. Because for the man, oh, you want to spoil my business, right? Oh, you know they talk about white people all like this. So you want to spoil my business. I feel the two of them went overboard. The man went overboard, commenting a statement that he they keep people. See, I know that's a Nigeria thing. If small problem your day now, hey, people are just dying, everywhere. Now waiting with the talk on the normal. As long as even when COVID-19 day, people they die on my street. Ask them when they bring dead body now, no dead body. So sometimes we over exaggerate with such a statement. I don't know even now from that angle the woman make that statement just to try to exaggerate. Say, oh, this sugar feel lead to diabetes, which will lead to your you get me. But then again, the man using police, they carry 50. How much fine?
He say 7 million or 3 years in prison.
Yeah, and the rest.
Or both.
Okay, that takes me. Don't very permit me. That takes me to cyberbullying law when he use. So this is now why everybody need to be careful online right now. You see this cyberbullying law. All of us need to be very extra careful. Yes. You get me, because cyberbullying is also equal to cyber stalking. And for our cybercrime prohibition prevention Act of 2015. Naija actually provide a framework for prevention and prosecution of cybercrime. Section 24 of that act provides say any person who knowingly or intentionally send a message or any matter using computer systems, whether on a phone, device, laptop, desktop, any electronic system, decide user or grossly use her as offensive pornography or any indecent or obscene or menacing character, or causes any such message or matter to be sent, which he know say sometimes they force and it can lead to the annoyance or inconvenience of another person, or danger or obstruction. You see all this, or insult or injury or criminal intimidation or enmity or hatred or ill will or needless anxiety to another, or cause such a message to be sent, commits an offense under this act and shall be liable. Mona hear this part too. Shall be liable on conviction to a fine of not more than 7 million naira or imprisonment for a term of not more than 3 years, or kukuma the two of them, both the 3 years and the 7 million naira fine. This same act come further states for section 24(2) bracket 2. Say any person who intentionally transmit any communication through a computer system to bully or threaten or harass another person, where such communication places another person in fear of death, violence, or bodily harm, or another person, or commit an offense under the act, shall be liable to a conviction of 10 years. And here be the serious part.
Wow.
10 years or for a minimum fine of 25 million naira. So please, before you type, say you dey mad, you dey craze, go do DNA test or else you die. If the screenshotter, they get right to use police, they pick you up, and this not the fine when you go face and the years when you go face if you not get better evidence to justify that your useless talk. So please, you all be careful right now, because this cybercrime, there is even a department set up in the Nigeria police that handles cases like this. So may everybody be careful. Not the two talk anyhow. No, sorry, not the two talk anyhow on top of another person. Because if you post for my comment section, I tell you, I give you an example. If Doveli or you post for my comment section now, say, I don't be the dress when you wear, you not fine. I feel you're going to they emotionally traumatized me. I've not been comfortable since then. I'll give police a medical report. I've been having headache. My body is, they are arrest you now too. So you can't left on to justify whether they lie or not they lie. So we all need to take care, because now this cyberbullying law now I don't grab people. Anyway, I'm done. That will be all. Don't really want to knock the second taking news of the day. Give you my name now, Rambi. We'll see tomorrow. Lady J, they take over at this particular moment right now. See you. Stay safe.
All right. Many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page So you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.